Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up a cruise planner package alerts for Royal Caribbean and Celebrity cruises. This is handy because it helps you catch price drops on beverage and dining packages before your sail date. We're going to get this done in just 2 simple steps. To start tracking a new package, head over to the Packages section in the left-hand menu. This opens up your onboard packages page, where you can see any packages you're already keeping an eye on. To add a new one to the list, go ahead and hit the Add Package button. The new package form is now open. Next, let's select the cruise and sail date to identify which trip we're tracking packages for. Once the modal pops up, pick your cruise line from the list. In this case, we're going with Royal Caribbean. Hit the next button to move forward. It's time to narrow things down to your specific sailing. Open up the ship drop-down menu to see your options. Choose the ship you'll be sailing on. Here we're selecting Icon of the Seas. Next, open the sail date drop-down. This is important because package prices are tied to a specific departure, so the tool needs to know exactly which sailing to track. Pick your departure date from the list. Click Next to continue on to the package selection. The cruise and sail date are now locked in. Next, we'll track our beverage and dining packages so we can monitor price changes on the add-ons we actually plan to buy. To start tracking beverage packages, select the beverage category from the list. All the available beverage packages for your sailing will load up here. Take a moment to scroll through and see what's on offer for your cruise. Once you find a package you're interested in, click into the Paid field next to it. This is where you'll log the price you've already paid, so the tool knows your baseline for comparison. Go ahead and type in the amount you paid for the package. Hit the Track button to start monitoring its price. Notice the button now reads Tracking, confirming it's been added. Scroll back up to switch categories. Next, jump over to the Dining category to track restaurant packages too. The full list of dining options for your sailing will populate. Scroll through to find the specialty dining experience you'd like to monitor. Click into the Paid field for your chosen dining package. Enter the price you originally paid for this experience. Then click Track to add it to your watch list. Just like before, the button updates to tracking to confirm everything's set. Finish up by clicking the Done button to save your selections. To edit a price drop alert, find the package you want to monitor in your tracked list and click the edit icon next to the package. This expands the package details. From here, open the alert at drop-down menu and update the price threshold that triggers a notification. Your price drop alert is now reactivated and will to notify you of any savings. You are now all set up to get Cruise Planner package alerts. Happy sailing and enjoy those price savings.